वाहेगुरु गुरु रामदास आद गुरे नमः जुगाद गुरे नमः सत गुरे नमः श्री गुरुदेव नमः। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा। Let you not have any misunderstanding. Between the time I can share with you some things and between the time I shall not be in a position to be among you is getting closer. Therefore, today is a very special day. It is the day of the Akal Takht. So there is certain information which I like to share with you. And I hope you bear in mind, you carry on the tradition with me and you carry on the tradition without me. That's the Khalsa way. You didn't sing that alone. It was in English. You understand it. If you don't, you have to understand it. We have left with no choice. One man turns to lions. We have no choice but to live as the Khalsa of the Guru, or we can die as a Khalsa of the Guru. We have no choice. We can't go back and become what we were. I'm not saying many have not. Because there is always going to be fight between a destiny and fate. So long the man will have the strength of the soul, one shall walk to the path of the destiny. The day destiny shall betray you, fate will take the toll. And then there's no return. That's how it is happening, will happen, or will be happening in the past, should be happening in the past. There's no way out. And Akal Takht shall not be completed now, restored back to its glory, if we do not take this Shabad which we have sang, Narayan Shabad, and we all not participate to the full glory of it. This is a Shabad by Guru Arjan Dev. Guru Arjan Partakhar, personified God, who stood the test of fire, came out totally pure. That entitled Guru Hargobind to construct Akal Takht. Akal Takht didn't get constructed because somebody had the brick and the paste and the mortar and sat down and built it up. No. And I did hear the story that Brahma came and Vishnu came and Shiva came and Narayan came and they built Akal Takht. I hear because I have 2 ears, I can't shut that up. But I tell you, what built the Akal Takht? Let me tell you in my way. I'm not saying it's the right thing to say, but I'm willing to take the blame if it is wrong. I say, God took a human body in the form of Arjan Malla, who rose to the position or the purity to become Guru Arjan Dev. Man became Guru. The light got bestowed and lived. This light of light, creative light of the millions and trillions and zillions suns, sat on a human red fire of hot plight and purify itself, entitling his own given birth of Guru Hargobind and giving him the position to entitle to build Akal Takht. It took God's many, 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 many zillions years to produce this effective earthly drama. That Akal Takht was sacrificed along with the Gursikh who stood by it. And in spite of the fact that body of the people who thought they can destroy it and they can build it, neither they could destroy it because they live in the heart of every Sikh. And they couldn't build it, they tried. It is still a big hole. You shall build it. And when we are singing this Narayan Shabad, the vibration of it will restore the glory of the Khalsa. Just remember, in 1984, we started going through the test of time. Now we are entering 87 and 88. This you were told in 1972. If still you have doubt and you do not understand English, I can translate into French. Si sa si soufin, su su fa si su san. If you don't understand that, then you do not understand the language. I don't care, but I'm telling you, this is how it is written in the heavens. The Sikhs will go through trial and turmoil and test and everything in the world from 1984 to 1988. 4 years, there is no way that we shall not be tested by the steel of the time, not of the man. Temporary situation is we are gone lazy and we have left our Nyarapan, that our exclusiveness as a Khalsa. And we are going to be totally vibrating and purifying ourselves, and it's going to come out. And thank God it takes only 4 years. This Shabad has a history behind it, power behind it. That's what I'm asking you. The maximum people should come and let us restore the glory of the Akal Takht through this Shabad. So now we are not celebrating the martyrdom of the Akal Takht. We are now singing for the glory of this Akal Takht. Now that's the difference. Therefore, it is the responsibility of each one of you to participate. You understand what I'm saying? Whether you are a Sikh or not, that's not the question. But if you have a tongue and you can sing and you have a time, you must come here for the love of Akal Takht. And must participate and must sing this. This Shabad will do 5 things. It will restore the glory of the Khalsa. It will restore the glory of the Akal Takht. It will bring the character of the Khalsa back to it. It will bring the future of the Khalsa on a silver plate, and God shall present it back to the Khalsa. How many things I've said? And it shall give you the amalgamation, merger, and oneness with God, whosoever shall sing. As Guru has said, so it shall happen. And I'm just today taking this opportunity to communicate with you. If a utmost difficulty happens to be, and enemies have come near, friends have left, and all shelters have fallen apart, at that time, if the name of the God is worshipped, Even the warm wind will not bother. This Shabad has been sung by Guru Arjan Dev for our these days to practice it. I hope every night in your silent, saintly, instituted sense of that communicative magnetic field, in the realm of the urge to participate into the valleys of those realms where no man has a voice, you shall come to this ashram and create that voice which you got created by Guru Arjan, the personified God himself, which made him to stand the purity test of the fire and came out the other side, and so that his installed Guru and his son could wear the Miri and Piri and become Har Gobind, and entitled himself to install the Akal Takht. What is in the heavens is on the earth. So it is written, so it shall be done. It needs little help from you, little participation, and effectively. Today you may not care what I say to you because you know I can speak and I can tell you. Very soon you will miss one thing. There will be nobody like me to tell you. Then you have to depend on your dreams and your extra sensory perception to receive the sound and those kind of things. But that's a human formula. That's too little in comparison what you got, the Sri Guru Granth. I am asking you to understand today that body is a shell and it shall fall because it is a confinement. It keeps me and you on the earth. Earth is not our home. Earth is the creation, it is a car. It is one creation of the Aung. But I do not belong to the earth. I can visit it, live it, then must go back home. I came here, I got married, I have children. Then I got married in a different way. I created so many children. So this children business is going on. One is Jivan Sansar, other is Shabad Sansar. You are my divine children through Shabad Sansar. And in that, we have now become a Khalsa family. We become undying. We took Guru Gobind Singh's gift of Akal Murat. The next is Ajuni Sahib Hang Guru Prasad. So in physical communication, personalities do not count. It's the infinite sound of God which preside over you. And that is the Sri Guru Granth. Sri Guru Granth must preside at Akal Takht. But at the moment there is no Akal Takht. It has a space. It has a space in the heart of the each Sikh. And it has a space in the heart of the space on the nerve center where Idda and Pingala, the governing forces, meet the Shushmana. That is at that spot that Akal Takht exists. Akal Takht is not bricks and mortar. in the horizon and in the space, where Earth and Earth's own system takes the energy from the heavens, where Ida and Pingala meets the Shushmana of the planet, that 9 square foot place is called Akal Takht. I just want to tell you what you have never been told before. It is the longitude and latitude of the nerve center of the universe which keeps the central movement of magnetic rotation of the shield of the planet Earth. Not only they have damaged that place, they are unable to find why ozone, the shield, is rupturing. Fools do not understand. If you chop off somebody's head, you can't let the heart beat. They do not know what they have done. They thought it's a building. Bring the artisans, people who can construct, artists, bring some marble and bring some gold, and they can build Akal Takht. If Akal Takht can be built like that, then everywhere Akal Takht should be built. Then we can build Cologne Akal Takht everywhere. We should have 2 million Akal Takhts. Body can have 2 lungs, but shall have only 1 heart. Akal Takht cannot be built by governments. That is what I'm enjoying, sitting here, and I feel very funny. Entire money and manpower of the government of India and 100 million Hindus and Sikhs and Muslims and 4.5 billion world people, and including the deers and the ducks and the bucks and everybody, they cannot build Akal Takht. And it shall never be built like that. Because Guru Arjan has to sit back again to the test of the fire as a Khalsa. And we shall chant that mantra which he chant to purify himself. And that is what this Narayan Shabad is. And when we'll perfect it, Akal Takht will appear by its own force. Men and material doesn't matter. You understand what I'm saying? So will you be here tomorrow? And tomorrow? And tomorrow? And those who have not come today, would you tell them? You are building the Akal Takht. Each line of this Shabad is a brick. Each breath which goes with this Shabad is the gold. And each voice created is the marble. Because it's a great job, can be only done by great people who have accepted the Guru in the face of everything. So you are reaching, standing out to the outer space of the heavens and bringing back the Akal Takht again to reconstruct itself and re-exist at the spot where it was. You understand what I'm saying? Because we are the Sikhs of the Shabad, and we are the sons and daughters of Guru Gobind Singh. And we are the soul and the soul ownership of the Guru Arjan. That's why this Shabad was given to us. And that's why now we are going to sing it, and we are going to repeat it every night. And it is very good. the interest, the benefit, the earthly benefit to you will be 25%. Lot of money, lot of prosperity, lot of happiness. Sukh, Anand, two things. Not only Anand, Sukh, Anand. And the Dain, the teeth of the Dain shall be broken. That's the most beautiful thing in it. And so Guru said, Raj karega Khalsa, Aki, Khwar hoye, sab milenge. With all doubt and destitution. I can't even speak, the word is so ugly. Jisnu aap khwaye karta khas le chagyai. God, take away the goodness if somebody, he wants to just roll around with the nails. So, it is between you and you alone. And then you can sing the glory. Tera kita jato nahi, mainu yo kitoi, main nirgun hare koi gun nahi, ape tars pyoi, tars pya mehramat hoi, sadgur sajjan milya, nanak naam mile tha jiva, tam tham thi vehrya. Then you can sing that with the presence of your heart. Now you shall construct Akal Takht. With the power of the Shabad. That's why never forget 6th on every month. Come, bring friends, enemies, known, unknown. Come. Come you must. Prosperous you will become. That day. Because you will be meditating in the construction of the soul sum of that energy, which is the totality, reality and infinity of God. There is no meditation, there is no mantra which can give us and do us in such a short time that whole thing. So never forget the 6th. Come and do nothing but participate, take papers and sing, give it to the children and sing, yourself sing, then you will become sing. Because your Akal Takht shall reappear in its own glory. Immortal sovereignty is sovereignty. Mortal sovereignty is no sovereignty. Therefore, we have to do that. Therefore, I'm asking you, let us today all promise that we'll do everything this week, another week, and another week, and another week. And then on the 6th, we'll prove it. That in 4 weeks we have mastered the Shabad, and we'll sing it, and we'll call on God, that Almighty God shall come and say, okay, I understand. That's how I want you to sing this Shabad. Ram ki bandi bhagat chudaye, bhagat ki bandi koi nae. I want that bhakti. I want you to give that final knot to it. And I want it to happen. And I want you who believe in the Guru to make it happen. We are not asking for that space. We are not asking for the marble, not for the gold, not for the government, not for the people. Akal Takht can be only built by Akal. Because Akal has to sit on the throne. These earthly people thought it is the earth, it is the bricks, it is... They don't understand the whole thing. Let us understand it once for all. Let us participate in it. And let us build the Akal Takht with the Shabad. When your generations from here now onward shall rule for 5,000 years of this space, they will remember you for the glory you sang in the voice and in the words of Guru Arjan. Each one of you, when shall sing this Shabad in the voice and word of the Guru Arjan, then your prana will become that of the Guru Arjan. Then you will give through this Bind Bandhu sadhana the power and the right and the privilege to Har Gobind, the sustainer God, to build the Takht of the Miri Piri, the Akal Takht. Don't you understand the simple theory? It has no different way. Money cannot build it. Lakshmi cannot build it. Narayan has to build it. They built it with the money. They built it with the Lakshmi. Didn't stay. But when Narayan will build it, then Narayan will preside it. And Sri Guru Granth will enjoy it. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa.